guys, my name is Tracy Venezia-Royce with Camelot Homes, and we are quickly building our phase one. We have some specs, and I want to show you an extra special one today. This is lot 69 on the south side of our first phase. So follow me, come see your new home. We have 3 different floor plans. This is the 7003, our third floor plan. This one we're building with a casita. This casita adds 275 square feet. It is privatized off the front door, but you can see that it's only a few steps away. So if the grandkids are in town, or if you're hosting, or if this is your private office, it's covered, and it also leads right to your front door. Come on in. So one thing I really like about our third floor plan is you still have the split master, and you also have your den that's next to your second bedroom. So I won't go through all of this right now because it looks like a bunch of sticks, but there is a second bedroom and a den. In this one, we do not have a private bathroom off the den, but in another spec that we do. So if that's something that you're interested in, give us a call. And Randy, if you can show them this dramatic entryway for your ceilings, if you can imagine walking in, our third floor plan does have a longer foyer, so it's a little bit more of a dramatic entrance. Wait till you guys see the views from the great room. So all of our floor plans feature a chef-style kitchen. It is galley style in here. A couple things that are really, really fun that we're adding into this. If you are a wine enthusiast, or if you just love to host, this is the house for you. We have a wine hole that's going in here. It's going to be extremely similar to what they're doing in the clubhouse at 7. So if you can imagine this full of wine as you walk in next to your galley style kitchen. And here, this is the wet bar, and it looks like a picture, but Rainey showed the views from the wet bar that they would be looking at every time they host. Couple things that are also not standard in here is the fireplace that's outside. That does not come standard. The fireplace inside is standard as well. So these floor plans, even though they start around 3,000 square feet, the casita is 275 square feet, they feel so spacious because of how we have the layouts and then also bringing the landscape in. So let's take a look at where your private living quarters are. Welcome to your master bedroom. If you can imagine waking up to this every morning, one thing I really love about this lot, if you're interested in south-facing views, is you will never have neighbors behind you. There will be a viewing fence, so you do have some privacy there. The wash is being revegetated with natural landscaping that will be filled with water wherever you see sand. But otherwise, can you imagine waking up to this every morning? So now also that you'll see similarly in our floor plans is with the master bedroom, you do have a ensuite master bath, standalone tub, walk-in shower, water closet there. And remember that wine wall on the other side? We borrowed a tiny bit of space from your ginormous walk-in closet. You really don't feel it once you're in here. These walk-in closets are huge. The shelving does come standard. You can upgrade it if you'd like, but hopefully there's enough room for his and hers, or maybe just hers, and put him in a different closet. Another thing I love about this floor plan is your powder room is right off the kitchen. So to my right, you have your powder. To the left leads right back into your galley style kitchen. And then your laundry is right behind us too. So on laundry day, you're simply going from your master bedroom straight into here. All your living area is privatized on one side of the house. Entertaining and living is on the other side. And then this wraps right back into your great room. 3-car tandem on this one. If you do want a 4th-car garage, give us a call. This spec is already at framing. Depending on the time that you're seeing this video, you may still have the option to pick out your countertops and your flooring. But if you love this floor plan, love the views, give us a call or text or email today. We can send you pricing, and we can have you in here probably before Christmas, but maybe by the new year as well. Otherwise, our build times are 10 to 12 months. Depending on what time of year that you come see us, how many other people are in queue. But regardless, this is one of my favorite floor plans, so if you're interested, give us a call or text or email today. Thanks for coming along.